Another buy and support local, everybody. This is the K-Bar 3065 Mule, heavy duty Tanto, Lockback, 420 stainless steel, G10 scales. There's your pocket clip. Stainless steel bolsters. This thing is heavy duty, feels heavy, okay? It was down the end of the knife display at my local Ace Hardware, no price on it, and the manager sold me this for $19. Fantastic. Support and buy local. I already have the Desert Mule, the K-Bar Desert Mule, Osate A steel, Zytel handle with the rubberized little inlays there, partial serrated. Isn't that fantastic? This is the K-Bar 3065 Mule, heavy duty Tanto Lockback folding knife.